Alright, today we're going to be putting the windshield in a 65 Chevrolet. Come with us and we'll show you how we do it. Find the center of your windshield and put that seam for your rubber on the windshield. And it's a roping kind. So the first thing I do is get your rubber on your glass. After a little bit of fighting with it, we've got the rubber on the windshield. So now we're going to put our rope in it. Now with my windshield upside down, you kind of see what our plan is. We've got this groove here. You're going to lace that rope into that groove, but you want your two ends to be at the bottom of the windshield. So you can set the windshield in its frame, and you start pulling the rope, and the rope will pull that rubber over the lip of the windshield channel and grease everything up good. We're going to use some Dawn dish soap. It rinses off. Folks use Gojo, they use anything slick, WD-40, but I like dish soap because you can hit water on it, it just washes off. That dish soap, we're gonna lay it down in this track, get me a squirt down through that track, and then we'll put our rope on top of it. Now, we'll go down the other side a ways, just do the whole bottom. And that gives some lube for this thing to slide and not tear up your gasket. And what this rope does, it does two things. Not only does it give you something to pull to open that lip up, but it spreads it open for you to make it easier to get into that window track. And like I said, you can't have too much lube. And I don't like to lube the rubber on the glass. I like it for it to stick harder than, because if you lube where the rubber for the glass to go on, it makes it easy for the glass to pop out of the rubber while you're trying to get it in. So I just do the track. And we got to flip back right side up. I move my hand so we don't drop that high on the windshield. And lace that in. Yeah, it's a two-man job. I've done them by myself, but it's way easier with a helper. And we're just lubing the top side of that rope. And we got it right side up, and we got our string on the inside, and we're finna set it in place. I'm not gonna be able to show the setting in place part just because we don't have enough hands. But you just, one guy on either side, you set her in place. I got none of this one first with my hands here. See if that pulls you over your lip. Talk to me. All right, stop. Right here, you can see what the rope does for you. It pulls it over that lip. All right, push. Oh, what you got a second? And just like that, we've got it in to that point. We're gonna get the other half into that point. We got that side into the curve, and we're gonna work this side into the curve. Be easy and don't tear your weather stripping. Look at that. That's why I say, I can't have too much lube. And just like that, she's in, but if you'll notice, our gasket's not sitting all the way down. So where you gotta take all the rings off your hand, and then you'll come in and tap it and set it. All right, we have tapped, and we've got her set. Now we gotta wash it. And the good thing, that dish soap, you just take a water hose and she comes clean. That's how we do it. This took us 10 minutes, maybe 15, counting putting the rubber on the windshield. So well, we've been doing it like that a long time, but maybe it'll work for y'all. Whew, it's hot. Yeah, let's go wash it. Thank y'all for watching. If this helps you out, give us a thumbs up and give us a subscription. which you'll appreciate it. Little postscript, we're gonna show it ring and reinstall. That is a tight truck. Like all the weather strippings are new in it, so you shut the door, or you know it's airtight. No leaks. Wonderful. Hey Rod, if you're watching, thanks for the windshield, brother.